Hello guys, this is Zenith from TechBuzz. Today I'm going to unbox this Apple Watch clone, which I purchased from Amazon.in for 3,544 rupees. I think 3,544 rupees, a price tag of it is pretty decent for this watch. So now let us get to the unboxing. Here's the box, guys. Now let us get to the unboxing itself. Inside the box we have the Apple Watch clone. Now let us keep it aside for the time being and let us get inside the box. So let me open this. Inside the box we have this plastic cover. Inside it we find a smartwatch user guide and a battery. The battery is a 350 milliamp hour battery, and the user guide is in English and Chinese as well. Surprisingly, it is in English. Yeah, inside we find a screen guard also. Well, it's a secondary one. One is already applied on it. Again, we find the USB cable, micro USB cable. Now let me remove this. Pretty strong and sturdy one. Let me try to remove the back cover. uh it is tight, but it is in plastic. So here you can pop in the battery, your SIM card and your micro SD card. Now let me pop in the battery and let me put the back cover again. Back cover also nicely holds onto the body. It's strong as well, even though it's plastic. Now it's closed. Here we have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging. We have the microphone as well, and we also have the speaker grill over there. So now let me try to power on this device. Yeah, this is the basic interface which you get a clock, your menu, tools, and the dialer as well. So this is the clock. This is the menu, guys, similar to the app, which is actually similar to the Apple Watch. Here is the dialer, contacts, Bluetooth, etc. This is the settings, where you find phone settings, etc. You have the dialer here from which you can make calls. This is the menu, guys. This is the camera. Let me show you the camera. It is pretty decent. I think it's a 1.3 megapixel camera. You have the video recording enabled on this device also as well. Pretty strong and stylish band over there. Nice one. I think this thing is stainless steel or steel. The body is also a type of a metal which is strong. And this is the menu. This is the settings. I think even you can even change the clock's type in the home screen. I think there are basically 5 types of them. Here you get the messaging app or whatever. Here you can add contacts, add alarm or music player. So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. I'll also leave the direct link in the description if you want to buy this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.